Hello folks, my name is John Anton. I just got my Berkey filter in today, so we're going to show you how to assemble it. This rubber piece goes right here underneath it on the bottom. Slides in right there. Then the valve, what happens is there's a rubber piece that you put on here. And here it's tapered, so you want the tapered side onto right there, going onto the filter. Then there's a washer that you're going to get, this black washer, and you're going to put it on the inside. Then there's this nut that you're going to screw in over here on the inside of it. So this will save you some time if you watch this video how to put this Berkey filter together. So I'm going to screw that together here real quick. And there we go. Okay, now next is what I did is I soaked these in water, put water down in here and let the water come out of the sides, get all the dust out of them. These are the arsenic and fluoride filters, and I've soaked them and I primed them also. And here's the Berkey filter has 4 holes in it. I only have 2 filters. So what I'm going to do is the other 2 I'm going to plug with these plugs that came with it. There's going to be a washer that goes on the inside and a rubber washer on the outside. That way you make sure the water don't leak and it's unfiltered. We're going to crisscross them. Then we're going to get one of the Berkey filters, get it in here. Let's see, with the washer right here and the nuts right there. We're going to get it right there in that hole there. There you go, there's one. We'll get the second one, put the washer on it. Put it right there in the other hole. Alright, there it is. Let's get that nut on there. Okay, then we put these on here, and this is for the arsenic and fluoride filter. So it said 8 rotations, you have to spin it 8 times. Let's see, let's catch here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, whoop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, then we'll flip it here. Put it right there. This came disassembled, so I screwed it in with one Phillips head screwdriver. And there you go. The Berkey filter is pretty easy to put together. There you go, folks. Have a great time.